Okay, so you've been given edit access because you asked to the Google site that we've been using, and you want to be able to add content. Let's get to the site first. Here I'm in my email view, and so I'm just going to scroll up here to Sites, click on Sites. So you know how to get to the site, but this is just the fastest way for me from where I was. Here I see Power of We. That's the site I want. It'll launch the site, and you may notice it looks a little bit different. Up in the upper right hand corner, it says create page, edit page, more actions. Those are some commands you'll have access to once you've been given edit access to it. So it looks a little bit different. I'm going to add a document, I suppose, to links and resources. So any one of our pages that has been organized in what Google calls a file cabinet style, which is what this is. File cabinet, just like it sounds, you can add all these files to it. And this is what I'm showing you how to do. So the other thing you'll notice is now that you have edit access, this portion jumps out at you, this add file, move to, delete, and subscribe changes. Pretty straightforward. I want to add a file. Click here. It gives me two options. Add a file from my computer, or if I want to link it to a file online, whether that's a YouTube video or any URL, or a Google Doc, which they have their own URLs, I can do that, and I'll show you that in a minute. But first I'm going to choose a file. Just like you've done so many times, I suppose, pick a file. So in this case, I'm looking on my particular computer here. I'm going to pick goals for the conference, which has already been added, but I'm going to do it just for this example. I'm going to open it up. It brings it on here. It's going to ask me for a description. Type in whatever you want there, if you want anything there, and hit upload. And it's going to upload that file to this particular portion of the site. It says at the very top, says file uploaded. Let's suppose I wanted to add a URL, say to the links and resources, or another thing that we've all talked about is adding to this video bank for our presentations. Notice this is a different page in our Google site, but it still has this file cabinet setup. Template is what it's called. And so there are 4 videos already there. I'm going to go ahead and add file, and of course I could do this to the page, the links and resources, but I'm going to go ahead and do it here, add file. And in this case, I'm going to paste a URL from a website. It's a YouTube video. So I'm going to take the URL from the very top, just copy it, go back here, and I'm going to paste it in. Now this time it really says you have to add something here, otherwise it'll give you an error message. For instance, if I hit upload without doing that, it's going to say, hey, please enter a URL and the text that describes it. So I come back here and I'm going to type in Angry Birds video. So obviously I'm adding just a goofy video that isn't going to stay here, but just for an example. And hit upload. There it is. Okay, at the very bottom I just uploaded it. Very, very easy, I think very intuitive ways to add files or URLs to file cabinet templates on our Google site. And the file cabinet templates we have are on the links and resources and also on the video bank. Okay. Thank you.